Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert USDT to ton on Binance Exchange. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up your Binance app and make sure you are logged into your account. And you will be redirected to homepage of Binance. Here, click on the Wallets tab in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, click on USDT coin here. So right here, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on Convert. So when you click on it, you will be on this conversion page. Here, and from section, make sure ton is selected. If not, then you can select it by tapping on this arrow. Similarly, into section, make sure USDT is selected. Now you need to do next is to input the amount of USDT you want to convert to ton. I'm going to convert all my USDT to ton by clicking on max. But you can manually input the amount of USDT you want to convert to ton right here. So you need to do the exact time putting the amount just like this. You're going to see the equivalence of the USDT on top. All you need to do next in order to convert it to turn is to click on the trade icon found at the bottom of your screen. So you need to do is to go ahead and click on it. So looking there, you need to confirm that you actually want to convert this to ton. By clicking on confirm, you can see the icon of confirm right at the bottom of your screen. So you need to do is to go ahead and click on confirm. To look in, you're going to see that you've been able to convert your USDT to ton. So that's basically how you can convert USDT to ton on Binance Exchange. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.